Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Newman. I'd like to welcome you back. For those of you that have been following us on our YouTube channel, you know that when I talk about health, I talk about diet, exercise, stress reduction. And I will tell you that for the vast majority of people, resistance exercise will give you the most bang for your buck. And I also tell you that when you do your resistance exercise, do it at a rapid pace, bang, 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 you're getting resistance and you're getting your cardio. So what we decided to do is I'll actually show you what I'm talking about. We're going to step in here at the Toledo Northtown location of Super Fitness, fabulous place to get fit, and we will literally just follow right through. I'm not going to talk about technique, movements and so forth. You can just follow me through as I do a series of exercises just to give you an example, and we'll do a couple different sets of things there, cycles of exercise. So come on in and follow us through. Okay, we're ready to start. I'm going to start out with a back movement and just follow me through again. Wherever you're working out, you can do these things to fit, adapt to what you want to do, but I'm just showing you with some equipment that we have here. So here we go. So for the back, let's just get this back stretched out. And we're going to do probably between 12 and 15 reps on each set. And you can vary your hand motion here. Hit these muscles in a little different plane each time. Let's move over. We're going to hit our chest next. And again, you could do this with a pec deck, cables like we got. Again, adapted to the equipment you have available. And then we'll hit different planes, drop it down, so we're getting a good coverage of this muscle, the muscle groups in our chest. And then we'll drop it down even more here. And you're getting good coverage of that pectoral group of muscles. Okay, let's move over here. We're going to do a pull down for our backs. Let that stretch nicely. Okay, let's move over here, do something for our triceps next. And again, like I tell you, we're really not stopping. We're moving right through here. We're getting our, again, we're getting our resistance and we're getting our cardio done this way. Let's slip over here and do some biceps. And all these muscle groups, we can hit in different planes, so pull them in close, move my grip out a bit, then even open it up more. Hit the bicep muscle nicely. Let's step over here and do some shoulders with some cables. Step out front, hit the front delt. These shoulders nicely. And again, a little different angle. Okay. Slip over here, back over here. And we'll do some ab crunches with this here. And I'm just trying to feel those abs tighten up under here. A lot of different ways you could do it, different planes, but I can feel those tighten pretty nicely. And then we'll hit them at a little different angle, kind of hit the obliques in here. Just a little pause there, you can feel them tighten. And let's stick with some core exercises. We'll do some rotational moves here. So we'll just step out. And a nice controlled move. Now, if you've got low back problems, I can't tell you it's good, bad, or otherwise. I would just say judge by what your body tells you. But this is a really nice stability exercise to tighten your core up, to prevent injury. Core is usually one of the weak points of most people's physique. as far as the problems developing, such as low back pain and so forth. And this just helps stabilize it nicely. And switch to the opposite side. Obviously, if you're used to exercising, you know, yes, the breathing plays a big role, and I am breathing somewhat, but trying to talk and communicate at the same time with what we're doing here. Now, here's kind of an interesting move. A bit of back and core, kind of a pull-through movement where we step out here. Kind of an overall body movement here. You're getting back, shoulders, core. And let's step over here. We're going to do a leg machine. So I think you've got about 9 exercises there. We're just moving right through them. Exactly what I would tell you to do. This is what I talk about. Okay, this is a little awkward to get into. You could do a leg press, some other squat machine. This is a really nice machine once you're set up in this here. So there's a nice basic 10 movement exercise routine anybody can do. Remember, it's a start that stops most people. Get yourself started on something like this. Work up to where you do 2 or 3 cycles of that, and you're gonna have you're gonna feel fabulous. For those of you that have been coming in, some of our patients that you're coming in for hormone replacement, males and females alike, and even if I don't see you as a patient, but if you're doing hormone replacement, I always stress resistance exercise like this with hormone therapy multiplies each other's effects, takes your health to a whole different level. Next week, I'm going to go through another cycle, a longer cycle here, for those of you that want maybe a little more challenge or a bigger program to go through. Thank you for joining us.